Welcome learners. Today is class 5 and it's time to launch. We're powering up Ironman's flying boot jets with a light that turns on and off like a real takeoff sequence. Boot lights that glow on while Ironman lifts off, then off while cooling down. Just like a real superhero rocket launch. Are you ready to make your light fly? Step 1, get flight mode ready. We begin by telling Pin D3, you're in charge of the flying light. Pin mode 3, output. That means pin 3 will send the power needed to turn the LED on, like powering Ironman's boots. Step 2, jet power on. Now it's time to launch the light. We turn the power on. Digital right, 3, high. The LED lights up, just like Ironman's jet boots firing up for takeoff. Step 3, keep power flowing. Let's keep it glowing for 1 full second. Delay, 1000, that gives enough time for a strong, steady lift-off. Step 4, power off. Now that we've lifted off, it's time to cool down the jets. Digital right, 3, low. The LED turns off, jets are off for a moment. Step 5, rest then fly again. Give it a short break before the next flight. Delay, 1000, then it starts again, glowing, flying, cooling. Just like a real flight cycle. Boom! You've made Ironman's flying light work, using just few lines of code. Every second, your LED turns on, to fly and off, to rest, like Ironman zooming into the sky. Hit Start Coding button, and test it out. For more superhero gadgets, keep building, keep flying, and keep coding.